Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to start today's video by dividing my hair in the middle right here. And then I'm going to work with this other side of my hair. I'm now going to go ahead and braid it up. Okay, so I'm done with one side of my hair. I'm going to do the braids on this other side of my hair too. So today I'm going to be working with these locks that I made in my previous video. If you haven't checked that video out, go and check it out on my channel. It's one of my latest videos, and check out the other lock tutorial that I did a year ago. I'm going to add my crochet needle here, and then I'm going to add my hair to the needle, and then I'm going to close the latch. I'll drag the hair through, and then I'll pick this my braided natural hair up. I'll add it to the crochet needle hook, close the latch again, and then I'll drag it through again. After that, what I'm going to do is to wrap my natural hair around like this. I'm wrapping my natural hair, and then after that, now I'm going to wrap this hair that I left around again to cover that part up. So I'm just trying to figure out how to install them because I want them individually. And then I'm going to close the latch. I'll drag the hair through. Now I'm going to add my hair again to the crochet needle. I'll close the latch, and then I'll drag it through that crochet braid hole. Now you see what I have. I have my natural braid here, I have the hair I left, and then I have the lock I made. So what I'm going to do, I'll leave this out first, and then now I'm going to wrap the braid over here around the lock, just close to the edge like this until the end. You see, I wrap the braid here. So I'm going to cover the braid with the hair I left now. Yeah, it's working. I thought I messed up so bad and I had to rebraid my hair. If you're wrapping the hair that was left, I'll just wrap it until there's none that's left on my hand. Even if it's as tiny as possible, I'll wrap it all. You see how that looks? And you see the first one. If you decided not to leave any hair out, I'll link down the other tutorial that I did, the versatile crochet braid pattern. It will work best for you if you have this kind of locks, the kind I made in my previous video. Check that video out. So I actually realized that this hair is a little tiny. You see how it is? That's the length. And my hair is a little long. It's almost the length of this. You see that? It doesn't hide my natural hair that I wrapped properly. So I bought another hair. I'm going to add a little bit of this fresh hair so I can properly hide my hair here. I know you're wondering why I'm going through all this process when I can just make cornrows and cut this hair and crochet it. It will leave a lot of space between my hair because the locks I have here are not that much. Actually, they are 42. You see how this looks so neat? So for this second method, I'm going to just add my braid to my crochet needle like you can see here, and then I'm going to add my natural hair braid, close the latch, and then I'll drag it through, and then this time I'm going to bend my natural hair here, and then I'm going to go ahead and re-add the end of my natural hair here to the crochet needle again, close the latch, and then I'll drag it through. Now you see, now it's two pieces. Now when I bend this again like this, it will be three. I'm now done with my hair. I'm now going to go ahead and add my accessories, these clip-ins. I'm now going to go ahead and lay my edges. And this is how my edges look. Check out how I made the DIY locks that I installed in this video. I'll link it down in the description box, and also check out how I individually installed the crochet braids that I made a few months ago. Yeah, I'll link it down in the comment section so you can get to access it. Thanks for watching again, and kindly subscribe to my channel, you guys, to get me to 1,000 subscribers. See you in my next video. Bye, and remember to turn on your notification bell.